top tips for Strategic Business Leader would be to keep up to date with the business news. Your knowledge of current affairs is not directly examined, but you need to keep continuously thinking about the business logic behind decisions that you hear about in the real world, and this will be excellent preparation for the actual exam. A big part of this is to discuss the business news, discuss what's happening at work with colleagues at work, and discuss openly on forums and practice that skill of trying to understand the reasoning behind things. And it also helps to practice your professional skepticism as well. The last thing I would say is that when you're preparing for this paper, you've got to get feedback on your specific answers. Don't get into the habit of reading model answers and thinking my answer's just different to that, so therefore it's wrong. There will be as many different answers in this exam as there are students sitting it. So it's important to get feedback on your specific answers to understand whether you're doing well or not.